Did you know that the water you drink can hold a secret message? With a little imagination, you can make water magical and send love to the world. Water isn't just for drinking. It's like a superhero that carries your feelings and your dreams. Scientists have found that water changes when we share kind words or happy thoughts. And with mediTEAtion's special tea blends, kids like you can make water even more powerful. Here's a fun way to try it. Grab a tea blend like chamomile that makes you feel calm and dreamy, or mint, which is fresh and sparkly. As you stir, use your imagination to send a happy thought, like I send love to my family, or I want the world to smile. I'm spreading joy and light. Now pour your water into a plant or a stream. Your message is joining the earth's big adventure. When you send love through water, it's like joining a cosmic team. Your imagination makes water a messenger, and that connects the earth to the stars. You're helping the planet glow with kindness and maybe even sending a little hug to the universe. Want to make your messages last forever? Soon, mediTEAtion will let kids turn tea blends into digital treasures called NFTs. It's like saving your imagination on a star. Join us now to be the first to try it. Every person has the power to change the world with water and imagination. Let's do it together. Ready to make water magical? Visit mediTEAtion.com to get your tea blend and share your story. Join our global community of kids and families making the planet shine. Let's use imagination to send love from Earth to the stars. See you there.